back to another episode of Money Mondays here at Morehead State University's Talent Search program. Today, we're diving into the many ways a library card can help you save big. From free resources to exclusive discounts, you won't want to miss out on how this simple card can make a serious impact on your wallet. A library card can be a game changer for high schoolers looking to save money, especially when it comes to streaming services. Here are several ways a library card can help you save. Free access to streaming services. Many public libraries offer free access to streaming platforms like Canopy and Hoopla, which feature a wide range of movies, documentaries, TV shows, and educational content. Instead of paying for subscription based services like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus, you can use your library card to stream a lot of content for free. Free audiobooks and ebooks. Library apps such as Libby or Overdrive give you access to thousands of audiobooks and ebooks at no cost. This is a great way to enjoy books on the go without needing to pay for platforms like Audible or Kindle Unlimited. Free music streaming. Some libraries partner with services like Freegal, which give you free access to a huge library of music for streaming and downloads. This could save you from needing a Spotify or an Apple Music subscription. Well, that's all we have for this week's episode. Tune into our new mini series, and we'll see you next week.